Hello and welcome to this new video. Here I will show you how to create a very basic bar chart with your own data and how to customize it with labels, title and bold text. First, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT and numpy as MP. And begin creating your data. In this case, we're using tech companies and we will compare their profits for the last year. Tech companies contain strings and we need it to be an array of integers so we can plot it. So we're going to create an array of the length of tech companies, which is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to call it ypos. And we assign the string values to the array we just created. Now let's plot ypos and profits. Let's make it look better, adding bold labels and a bold title. Here we're adding this label to indicate what we are plotting. Don't forget to add plt.legend. Now let's add the axis labels. And add a title as well. Now, let's make our labels and title bold. And that's it. We just created our first bar chart. Don't forget to subscribe so you can watch more Matplot videos. See you!
We bless the sun 'cause it gave light to our day.